Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar ZywOo. In this video I'll show you how to manage button mapping. In the beginning, let's go to bbbpulsar.ggzywO, connect your mouse and go to Customize button. Select the button you would like to customize. And now select New function for the button. You can select from keyboard, multimedia, or no action. Left, right click and wheel click cannot be adjusted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.